In this video, we're going to be having a look at collecting like terms. The collecting like terms sheet used in this video can be accessed by clicking the link in the description to our website. If you're new to the website, simply create an account to get started. Collecting like terms. So collecting like terms simply means adding or subtracting terms that are similar. So some key theory to note in the bottom hand corner. When we're collecting like terms, we're going to add or subtract similar terms, and by similar terms have the same endings. So let's have a look at question 1. We've got 3a squared plus 4b minus 2a plus 3b minus 6a squared. And we are asked to simplify the following expression. So looking at the endings for each of the terms, we've got 3a squared and then we've got 6a squared. So all of the a squared terms, we've got 3a squared subtract 6a squared. So we're going to do the numbers first. So 3 subtract 6, which gives me -3. And then sticking the algebra on back at the end, we've got 3a squared. Looking at the b terms, we've got 4b and then 3b. So for the b terms, we've got 4b plus 3b. So the numbers first, 4 plus 3 is 7, and then stick the algebra on at the end, gives us 7b. We've only got one term that ends in a, which is this -2a. So that's just going to be stuck at the end of the final answer. So you've got -3a squared plus 7b minus 2a. So when collecting like terms, you can only add or subtract similar terms. In other words, terms that have the same endings. Question 2 says simplify the following expression. We've got 30x plus 4y minus 3y minus 10x. So similar to question 1, we've got 30x and minus 10x. So for the x terms, we've got 30x minus 10x. So 30 subtract 10 is 20, and then stick the algebra on at the end, which gives us 20x. We've got 4y and -3y. So for the y terms, we've got 4y minus 3y, which is equal to 1y, which is just y. So putting these terms together, our final answer is 20x plus y. Question 3 says find an algebraic expression for the perimeter of the following rectangle. So some key theory here. Perimeter is equal to all of the sides added together. So that means 4x plus 2y plus 4x plus 2y will be the perimeter. So writing that as an expression, we've got 4x plus 2y plus 4x plus 2y. And now we're going to collect like terms. We've got a 4x term and another 4x term. So for the x terms, we've got 4x plus 4x. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and then stick the algebra on at the end, gives us 8x. For the y terms, we've got 2y plus 2y, which is equal to 4y. So in total, sticking these two terms together for the final answer, we've got 8x plus 4y. Question 4 says which shape has the largest perimeter if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3? So in this question, we're required to substitute in x equals 2 and y equals 3 into the following terms. So 4 times 2 is 8. So this is also going to equal 8. For the trapezium, we've got 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. 8 times 2, which is equal to 16. 2y, 2 times 3 gives us 6. so this is equal to 6 as well. 3 times 3 is equal to 9, so this side's 9 and also this side's 9. So if we think about the perimeter for the parallelogram, we've got 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9. So 18 plus 16, this gives us 34. And the perimeter for the trapezium, we've got 10 plus 16 plus 6 plus 6, and this gives us 32. So the shape that has the largest perimeter is the parallelogram. So has the largest perimeter. So this concludes the video on collecting like terms. You can also use this traffic light system in the bottom right hand corner for either sheet 1 or sheet 2 to grade how well and how confident you feel on collecting like terms. Remember to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.